So hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make your slime not sticky anymore in one way. So first you're going to go to your sink and wash your hands. But if you don't want to wash your hands, you can use a hand sanitizer. The reason why it's like liquidy is because I made this one. But also, so there you go. That's how you make your slime not sticky anymore. And if you want to make it stretchy, you can put more hand sanitizer into it like this.